हेलो फ्रेंड्स, वेलकम टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रेजुएशन एकेडमी। दोस्तों, आप लोगों का मेरे यूट्यूब चैनल ग्रेजुएशन एकेडमी में बहुत बहुत स्वागत है। आज के इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे गोरखपुर विश्वविद्यालय के बीए फर्स्ट सेमेस्टर के इंग्लिश एग्ज़ाम पेपर ENG 102 की, जो 28 जनवरी 2022 को संपन्न हुआ था, जिसका पेपर कोड 0129 है। इस बार भी एग्ज़ाम इसी टाइप का होना है। पेपर को आंसर्स के साथ अपलोड किया जा रहा है, जिसे 100% एक्यूरेसी के साथ तैयार किया गया है। तो वीडियो के अंत तक बने रहें, और अगर आप मेरे चैनल पर नए हैं तो सब्सक्राइब अवश्य कर लें। आइए हम लोग डायरेक्ट क्वेश्चन की ओर बढ़ते हैं। तो पहला क्वेश्चन है, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैरेक्टर डज नॉट अपीयर इन अनीता देसाईज गेम्स एट ट्विलाइट? रघु, रवि, मीरा एंड सोमल। तो इसका जो करेक्ट आंसर है वो है डी, सोमल। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, विच गेम डू द चिल्ड्रन प्ले इन द बिगिनिंग ऑफ गेम्स एट ट्विलाइट बाई अनीता देसाई? 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, खो खो, हाइड एंड सीक, फ्यूनरल गेम या फिर नन। तो इसका सही आंसर होगा बी, हाइड एंड सीक। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, ही फेल्ट हिज हर्ट गो हैवी एंड एक इनसाइड हिम अनबियरेबली. He lay down full length on the damp grass, crushing his face into it, no longer crying, silenced by a terrible sense of insignificance. The above ending lines of Games at Twilight are related to. 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, मीरा, रघु, रवि एंड मनु. The correct answer is C, रवि. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, इन गेम्स एट ट्विलाइट रवि वाज हाइडिंग इन द गैराज, द स्टोर रूम शेड, द वेरांडा, द पोर्च. द करेक्ट आंसर इज बी, द स्टोर रूम शेड. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, अनीता देसाईज मदर वाज जर्मन, इरिश, इंग्लिश या फ्रेंच? द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, जर्मन. नेक्स्ट, ओह माई पुअर मैथिल्डा वाई माई नेकलेस वाज ए पेस्ट, इट वाज वर्क एट मोस्ट ओनली 500 francs. द above line was said in द डायमंड नेकलेस बाई. 4 ऑप्शन दिए गए हैं, मिसेज लॉइजल, द क्लर्क, द वर्कर इन द ज्वेलरी शॉप, मैडम फॉरेस्टियर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज डी, मैडम फॉरेस्टियर. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, द लास्ट लीफ स्टोरी इज सेट इन ग्रीनविच विलेज, कम्बरलैंड, नीदरफील्ड, ऑक्सफोर्डशायर. द करेक्ट आंसर इज ए, ग्रीनविच विलेज. मिस्टर निमोनिया इन द लास्ट लीफ इज एन एग्जाम्पल ऑफ oxymoron, hyperbole, metaphor, personification. The correct answer is D, personification. Which of the following characters does not appear in The Last Leaf? Sue, Berman, Mike, Bertha. The correct answer is C, Mike. What was the masterpiece of Mr. Berman in The Last Leaf? The last leaf that he painted on the wall, the portrait that he made in his youth days, the painting which was lost, none. The correct answer is A, the last leaf that he painted on the wall. What is the actual name of O. Henry? ग्राहम स्मिथ, विलियम सिडनी पोर्टर, सिमोन ग्रफ, पीटर प्लम्ब. The correct answer is B. William Sidney Porter. In which village is the story of Under the Banyan Tree set? Somal, Malgudi, Rampur, Mempi. The correct answer is A. Somal. What was the name of the storyteller in Under the Banyan Tree? Raju, Velan, Nambi, Roji. The correct answer is C. Nambi. Which goddess is worshipped in the temple where the storyteller of Under the Banyan Tree lived? Kali, Sakti, Saraswati, Durga. The correct answer is B. Sakti. What was the name of the friend of the storyteller in Under the Banyan Tree? Nambi, Mari, Gauri. No name is given in the story. The correct answer is B. Mari. Which of the following authors created the fictional plays Malgudi? Mulk Rajanand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, Anita Desai. The correct answer is C. R.K. Narayan. When did the narrator place a lighted lamp in the hollow of the banyan tree? When he was hungry, when he had a story to tell, when he was angry, when he wanted to sleep. The correct answer is B. When he had a story to tell. The cow in The Cow of the Barricades took a handful of grain from Vanli, the master and the Mahatma, everyone in the village, none in the village, the weaver. The correct answer is the master and the Mahatma. The red man's government in The Cow of the Barricades refer to the French government, the British government, the Russian government, the Spanish government. The correct answer is B. The British government. Mathilda in The Diamond Necklace was married to a lawyer, a policeman, a merchant, a clerk of the Ministry of Public Instructions. The correct answer is D. A clerk of the Ministry of Public Instructions. From whom did Mathilda borrow the diamond necklace in The Diamond Necklace? Madame Forestier, Madame Loisel, a jewelry shop. From her sister. The correct answer is A. Madame Forestier. How much did it cost Mathilda to repay the price of the necklace in The Diamond Necklace? 40,000 francs, 36,000 francs, 30,000 francs, 20,000 francs. The correct answer is B. 36,000 francs. How much time did it take Mathilda to repay all the loans and borrowings in The Diamond Necklace? 2 years, 5 years, 7 years, 10 years. The correct answer is D. 10 years. Who was imprisoned on his own will in the bet? The liar, the banker, the watchman, none. The correct answer is A. The liar. What was the term of imprisonment in the bet? 10 years, 12 years, 15 years, 18 years. The correct answer is C. 15 years. In the bet, who writes that wine excites desires and desires are chief foes of a prisoner, besides nothing is more boring than to drink good wine alone? The banker, the liar, the watchman, the guests in the party. The correct answer is B. The liar. In the bet, in his first year of imprisonment, what did the prisoner do? Studied language, philosophy, and history, studied classics, played piano, read New Testament? The correct answer is C. Played piano. The prisoner in the bet escapes from his cell 30 minutes earlier, 20 minutes earlier, 10 minutes earlier, 5 minutes earlier. The correct answer is D. 5 minutes earlier. In the bet, how much money was offered from the bet of imprisonment? 1 million, 2 millions, 3 millions, 4 millions. The correct answer is B. 2 millions. Rabindranath Tagore won the Nobel Prize for Gitanjali in 1900, 1905, 1910, 1913. The correct answer is D. 1913. Apart from an acclaimed writer, K.S. Venkatramani was also popular as a physician, an actor, a lawyer, a journalist. The correct answer is C. A lawyer. So Many Hungers is a novel written by Mulk Raj Anand, Bhavani Bhattacharya, Kamla Markandeya, Raja Rao. The correct answer is B. Bhavani Bhattacharya. Which of the following is not one among the trio of the Indian English novelist Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, R.K. Narayan, Anita Desai? The correct answer is D. Anita Desai. Who wrote the novel Untouchable? R.K. Narayan, Mulk Raj Anand, Raja Rao, K.S. Venkatramani? The correct answer is B. Mulk Raj Anand. Which of the following is also known as the Kokila Nightingale of India? Sarojini Naidu, Kamla Markandeya, Nayantara Sehgal, none of the above. The correct answer is E. A. Sarojini Naidu. The novel Nectar in a Sieve is written by Mulk Raj Anand, Kamla Markandeya, Nayantara Sehgal, Bhavani Bhattacharya? The correct answer is B. Kamla Markandeya. Which nationalist figure influenced the cow of the barricades? Mahatma Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Patel? None. The correct answer is A. Mahatma Gandhi. What was the name of the cow in the cow of the barricades? Lakshmi, Gauri, Devi, Bhavani? The correct answer is B. Gauri. The cow of barricades was popularly supposed to belong to Banaras, Kanpur, Gorakhpur, Govardhanpur? The correct answer is C. Gorakhpur. And the last question is, which of the following novels has been written by Raja Rao? Bends in the Ganges, The Guide, Serpent and the Rope, Coolie? The correct answer is C. Serpent and the Rope. तो ऐसे ही नए अपडेट्स पाने के लिए कृपया मेरे चैनल से जुड़े रहें और वीडियो पसंद आए तो लाइक और कमेंट ज़रूर करें। धन्यवाद।